If you've ever searched JavaScript questions on Stack Overflow, you've definitely seen this one. Why is my variable undefined? I used async and await. So let's clear this up in plain English. JavaScript is single-threaded, but the world is not. Things like fetching data from a server, reading files, or waiting for timers all take time. If JavaScript waited for each one to finish before doing anything else, your page would freeze. That's why we have asynchronous code. Before async and await, we used callbacks, then promises. They work, but they can feel messy and hard to read. Async and await are just a nicer way to write promise-based code, so it looks more like normal, top-to-bottom code. Here's the basic idea. When you mark a function with the keyword async, that function will always return a promise. Inside that function, when you put await in front of a promise, JavaScript pauses in that function until the promise settles. Then it gives you the resolved value. So instead of chaining then all over the place, you can write const data equals await fetch data, and then just use data on the next line. Now, here's where most Stack Overflow problems come from. Number one, trying to return data from an async function and use it immediately, like it's synchronous. If you write const result equals vestup equals datinx and data is async, then result is a promise, not the actual value. You either need to await data inside another async function or use .then on the promise. Number two, forgetting that await only works directly inside an async function. If you try to use await at the top level in older environments or in a non-async function, it will break. Number three, running async tasks in a loop the wrong way. If you do for each with async callbacks and use await inside, the outer code doesn't wait. A common pattern is to use a for of loop with await inside, or use promise.all to run several promises in parallel and then await them all at once. And finally, error handling. With async and await, you can use regular try and catch blocks to handle promise rejections, just like synchronous errors. If you want to turn scripts like this into clean explainer videos, go to vidfactory.ai and create your own animated videos effortlessly.